Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made marble cake with no eggs. The result was perfect. It's a no mistake recipe. Anyone can do it. If you're new to this channel, my name is Lydia. If you're enjoying this video and love discovering both Nigerian favorites and classic baked treats, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I share recipes like this every week. Okay, now let's bake. In a bowl, add flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda and mix very well. In another bowl, add sugar, plain yogurt, and buttermilk and whisk until combined. Then after that, add milk, oil, and vanilla and mix again. And once the wet ingredients are mixed together, then add dry ingredients to wet and smooth the batter. Don't overmix. For chocolate batter, mix chocolate powder and warm water. Divide batter into 2 parts and then add chocolate mix to 1 part. Line your baking pan. Alternate 2 tablespoons or whichever that works for you. In my own case, I use a measuring cup. And then add 2 tablespoons vanilla batter and top 2 tablespoons of chocolate batter. It's better to start from the middle of your baking pan. And once you're done, tap the pan gently to release air. And then bake in a preheated oven until cooked through. Now the last step is to remove the cake out of the oven, allow it to cool, slice and enjoy your maple cake with no eggs. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you love food that brings people together, Nigerian snacks, sweet baked goods, all made easy, subscribe and join the kitchen. Until we meet again, have a great day and bye.